How are you? I hope you all are fine and safe at home. In last video, we discussed about determiners and we did only the first part, articles. In articles, we did indefinite articles, means a and an. Today we are going to discuss the definite article, that is the. So, the is a definite article. It's called definite article because it is used to define or to particular a thing or a person. So, the is used with both singular, plural as well as countables and uncountable nouns. So, let's do the uses. The is used to particularize a thing or a person, means the is used to particular a thing or a person. For example, the purse you gave me, means we are using the to particularize the purse, means that purse that you gave me. The purse you gave me is lost. Second use is the is used before names of holy books. For example, the Gita, the Mahabharata, the Ramayana, etc. Name of mountain ranges, the Himalayas. Name of trains, the Shatabdi Express. Name of newspaper, the Hindustan Times, etc. Third use, the is used before a common noun to represent the whole class. Means when we want to discuss about the whole class. For example, the cow is a useful animal. Means we are talking about all the cows. So the is used before a common noun, singular noun, when we want to represent the whole class of that noun. For example, the cow is useful, is a useful animal, means we are talking about all the cows, not that cow. Means we are talking about the whole class of the cow. So the cow is useful animal, means all the cows are useful animals. Fourth, it's used with a noun that is mentioned earlier. Means we have talked about that noun earlier, and if we want to talk about that noun second time, then we use the. For example, I saw a woman, means we are talking about the first time that woman. I saw a woman. Now, the woman means that woman that I saw. The woman was in red sari. So, the is used with a noun when we have mentioned that noun earlier. We have talked about a woman. That woman means we want to particular that woman. See, it means the woman means the woman that I saw was in red sari. The is used before superlatives. Superlative means the third degree of adjective. For example, she is the tallest girl in my class. Tallest is superlative of tall. So, she is the tallest girl in my class. The. It is used before directions, the things that are unique. The is used before the names of directions and the things that are alone in the universe. For example, the sun means sun is alone. The sun rises in the east. Before east and sun, we use the. The is used with certain expressions. For example, the more, the merrier. Speak the truth. The is used before the name of historical monuments, means historical buildings. For example, the Red Fort, the Qutub Minar, the Taj Mahal, etc. Now we will do where we can't use articles, means it's called omission of articles, where we can't use articles. So the next topic is omission of articles. Let's start. Omission of articles means where we can't use articles. It's called omission of article. It is also called zero articles. So article is not used before proper noun, material noun and abstract nouns. For example, Ram is the monitor of my class. Here Ram is the proper noun. So we can't use any article before Ram. There will be cross if you are given a blank. Next example, coal is not found in Pakistan. Here coal is material noun. So there will be cross if you are given a blank. Pakistan is the name of a country. So we can't use any article before Pakistan. The third example, beauty is praised everywhere. Here beauty is an abstract noun. So before abstract noun we can't use any articles. But when these nouns are particularized, means we want to make them special, then though is used before them. See the examples. Prem is the Newton of our class. Here Newton is the name of a scientist and we are using the before a proper noun because we want to make it a special, because Prem is not a Newton but he is like a Newton of our class. See the second one, the water of this tap. When we use water in general sense, we can't use any article. But I am talking about the particular water of that tap. So, the water of this tap is polluted, not the whole. Only this tap's water is polluted. The third example we did there. Beauty is praised everywhere. When we use beauty, any abstract noun, in a general sense we can't use articles. Here I am talking about the beauty. Here I have used the because I am talking about that particular garden. The beauty of the garden is unique. Means only that garden. We are talking about the beauty of that garden. That's why we are using the here. Next, we can't use article before common nouns in plural. For example, children like sweets, not the children, because we are talking about the whole class. That's why we can't use any article. Children like sweets. And we can't use any article before any meal. Means before the names of the meal. She invited me to dinner. If we are given blank here, we will use cross because dinner is the name of a meal and we can't use any article before the name of the meals. So I hope you have got the topic. In next part we will discuss about the second part of determiner. So till then, stay home, stay safe. Goodbye class. Thanks for watching me.